Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock chat in Roblox. Now, whether you're under 13 or over 13, it works a bit different. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to do to be able to unlock that chat and chat with friends while playing a game or direct chat with other people. What you're going to do is first open up the Roblox app on your iPhone, Android, or a computer. And first, you're going to just check your chat options. So open up a game. In my case, I'm just going to tap this random game. Tap on play. You can see when the game loads up at the top left, you should see a chat icon. Next to those three lines, tap on the chat icon. In my case, it says only people in similar age groups as your trusted friends can chat. And essentially, you can hit tap here to start chatting and type in hi and send. Now this should work for you immediately to be able to chat in a game. If this doesn't work for you or it doesn't pop up, sometimes just by tapping on the chat icon, it gives you the ability to enable chat. If it doesn't give you that option, tap on the Roblox icon at the top left. Tap on leave at the top left. Tap on leave again. So let's exit out of that game and go into your settings. Tap on more at the bottom right. Scroll to the bottom. Tap on settings, this gear icon. Tap on account info at the top. From here, scroll down and check your age group. If your age group is under 13, or if you are a child and a parent has a parental control on your Roblox game, it works a bit different, and essentially the parent would need to give you permission to be able to chat within Roblox. If it doesn't have your correct age, you can always verify your age either by using an ID, or you can just use the facial recognition feature that will automatically detect what it thinks your birthday is and dump you into an age group. Now let's make sure that the messaging or chat option is turned on. Tap the back arrow at the top left. And next, we're going to tap on privacy and content restrictions. Tap on communication. Tap on experience chat. You can see it says chat with friends and people in similar age groups who are playing the same experience, aka the same game. If this is turned off, just toggle it on. In addition to that, direct chat with friends and trusted people of a similar age is also an option if you just tap on that. You can also tap the back arrow, tap on party and party chat, and make sure that party and party chat is also turned on. Now, if you also wanted to voice chat with somebody, you can do that by tapping the back arrow at the top left, tapping on voice data usage, and make sure that this is turned on. After you've done that, we can enable voice chat actually by hopping out of here and going into a game itself. So let's go through here, for instance, please donate. Tap on the play button at the bottom right. Once you're in the game, you can enable voice chat by looking for the microphone at the top. Tap on the microphone, and it will start to essentially listen to your voice. If you don't see that microphone, tap on the three lines at the top left. And then from here, tap on the Roblox icon at the top left. And then tap on settings at the top left. From here, you can see voice input and voice chat. If this is set to, instead of connected, disconnected, tap the arrow to the right to make sure it says connected. And now you're able to do voice chat in addition to messaging and a party chat, direct chat. All of that is now enabled on your phone, iPhone, Android. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button and check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like it.